What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tuesdays. All right, so today I told Olson I was going to come to the motorcycle shop and check out Throttle Thursdays, so that's what we're on our way to. So let's get platinum started so we can get up out of here. Yes, sir. Check out my baby. All right, platinum's ready. Your boy ready. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Yes, sir. We back on Tuesdays. Hopefully y'all enjoy the drops of those videos, man. And I got another one coming to you from a ride that I'm going to do. By the time you see this video, I'm going to be putting up some other rides as well. And this is a ride that I just did. Yeah, man. So me and my man G, we've been talking about it. Some other cats. So yeah, we ride somewhere. So I'm going to bring that to the channel too. So yeah, we're on our way to the motorcycle shop. And there's a lot of events going on today. Adjusting my mirrors. Man, these little mirrors, these CRGs, you can see further behind you and directly behind you. But I know if you've been following the channel, you're looking down here and you be like, oh, you got something new added. Yeah, your boy joined the bandwagon, man. Yes, sir. Man, it feels nice to be back on Tuesdays. So yeah, I haven't been riding because I was installing this product. I'll let you know what it is if you ask me in the comments. Otherwise, you can look at it and see what it is. But yeah, man, I was installing this product, so I had my bike apart for the last week, waiting for stuff to come in. And everything's taking longer to come in. Like, used to get it in a day or two. Not anymore. And I know some of you know exactly what I mean. Because you probably been ordering motorcycle parts and they've been taking forever to come. It's so bad you don't even want to send stuff back. Because you send it back like, man, I'm at the wait. I know, bro. And my sisters as well. Hey, it is what it is right now with this economy. And I was reading something about the tariffs, and like they giving money back if you pay tariffs on FedEx or something like that. Somebody, you had to go check that stuff out. I don't know, but that's what I got in the email. I'm like, oh, okay. But yeah, man, getting these parts, oh my gosh, take you forever. But yeah, so we're on our way to the motorcycle shop. And for those of you in the area, Olson used to be one of the top mechanics at another motorcycle shop here in Maryland that was really reputable, really good. So yeah, you need any work done? Yeah, he could do it. But he's also the type that if he can't do it at this time, he'll tell you, which is good. Well, I don't think it's much that he can't do. Like, I know they're not doing inspections after they've been open a year. And it should be coming up on that year, I think. But yeah, there are only a few shops I deal in the area. So the motorcycle shop is one that I would deal with. And some of you be like, well, what are those? I will mess with MRP Motorsports, Ellicott City as well. Those are the ones that I've been dealing with. Not that there are any other good ones out there, but those are the ones I'm dealing with close to me. And I'm riding this motorcycle like I'm good on gas. Man, I'm almost into the red. But it's beautiful out here. It's a little windy. They said no rain for at least a week or more. And I'm like, yes, indeed. That means we're going to be getting in some rides. So just like I told you before, on the weekends I plan to do rides. And during the week, maybe an event or two. So the motorcycle shop isn't that far away. Alright. My man on an adventure bike. Nice. I ain't getting some of this air. But yeah, so the motorcycle shop isn't that far away from me. So I'll be putting the route into the video so y'all know where to go. Alright, so we're taking this exit right here. Telegraph Road, Severn, Odenton. Make this right. And we'll find out from Olson how many times he can have this Throttle Thursdays. And it doesn't start until 7, so I'm up here quite early, to be honest with you. Alright, and when you have a motorcycle shop, what you do, you get the end unit. It gives you more space. So it's at 108. Alright, here's my man right here. What's going on, man? What's going on? Now, how often are you going to host this?
Hopefully every Thursday, weather permitting.
So every Thursday.
Yeah, we're trying.
Alright, so y'all heard from the man himself, Olson. Every Thursday, man. Every Thursday. Alright, got some bikes out here. Bikes he's working on. Of course, every shop has a scooter. Got other bikes he's working on. Got some inside the shop, man. So y'all got to come down here and check them out. Alright, so let's wait till the other bikers get here, and hey, we'll come back on. Check this out, man. They're auctioning this off for $25 a ticket. He trying to win at $300 worth of tickets.
I was like, here's 200. Now I got another 100. Here we go.
Nice.
Yeah, no.
Check out this Indian, man. This joint is nice. Try to get y'all out the sun on the other side. Check that joint out. Quiet like. Check it out. Got lights on it. All right, guys, pulling up, man. My man Street Soldier pulled up. Another Zook. Got a Z9. Yeah, man, they pulling up. They pulling up. All right, what's up, y'all? All right, man. So bikes just pulled up. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around. So it's not gonna be a super long video. Just want to come out support Olson. Bikes are still coming up. But your man gonna do this quick walk around. I'm gonna enjoy myself. So let's take a look at. Let's check out some of the bikes that just pulled up. It's RS6, man. That thing is beautiful. So it's brand new.
2013.
2013. Man, thing is clean. Nice. I like that. Nice. How long you had it?
About a week.
Oh, you had it about a week. Okay, so it's not new to you.
No, it's new to me, but it had like 5,000.
Your first bike?
Yeah.
Oh, your first bike?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, nice. Start off RS6. That's pretty good. What's your name?
Nathan.
All right, Hammer, man. Nice to meet you, bro. All right. Nathan's first bike. All right, what made you go Yamaha?
They make a lot of things.
Okay.
They make everything.
All right, yeah, not
Might
a
as
bad
well,
bike.
right?
That's right. Now you gonna do anything else to it?
Definitely get rid of the muffler.
Okay, you can get it.
Steering dampener.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. So you trying to do some stunting?
Yeah.
Now you coming from dirt bike, anything?
Kind of.
Oh, okay.
A little bit of dirt bike.
All right. Well, street is unforgiving and it's undefeated. So yeah. Take your time, man. Take your time. All right. Well, nice to meet you, bro. All right. So we got the S1000 RR. Check it out, man. That is just sweet. It's lowered. It's stretched. Check it out. Nice. Got another on Yamaha R6. Bumblebee. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this crew. Look at this, man. It's carbon fiber. It's not liquid, but it's carbon fiber. Check this out. Nice. Got Ninja 500. Got the Yamaha. T07. Kawasaki. I think I've seen my man out before. Got the Honda Interceptor. Check it out. Got the R1M. Check it out. Liquid car. What'd you say?
Slow.
Look, he talking about she's slow. Look. Yeah, it's nice, man. Nice liquid carbon fiber. Look at that. You've been riding that joint. Got bugs on it. That's what I'm talking about. R1 right here, purple. It look like somebody went down on it, though. All right. Beautiful color, though. Got the Harley Davidson. Got platinum sitting right here. My man Pastor Gerald's new Honda, man. Check it out. Beautiful color, man. That joint is beautiful. Yes, sir. I have my man Z900. My man right here sitting back there. That's a Z900. Check it out, man. I like that seat. The seat is nice. Real nice. Got the Suzuki 1000. Saw him pull up. Got a lot of liquid carbon fiber on it. Beautiful. Nicely done. Got my man Street Soldier bike. Moto wheels, man. Painted his screen. You been following the channel? You been seeing
Everything about it. We know there. I got it.
400, sweet. Check that out. Check out. She riding that 400, man. Woo. Oh, okay, I thought it was new. What year is it? 2023. Your first bike?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. First bike 2023. That's what I'm talking about. All right, what's your name?
My name is Caitlin.
Caitlin?
Yeah.
All right, well, nice to meet you. I'm Hammer. Nice to meet you. Check this out. what's up, bro. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, man, I know it was a quick video, but your boy gonna try to enjoy himself. You know what I'm saying? So from Platinum and your boy Hammer, hey, I'm out. Peace.